Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Goble, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video, I am here on the Survival Saga for a brand new video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showcasing the Survival Saga server to you guys. So if you guys do end up enjoying today's video, make sure you guys drop a like. Let's go for 50 likes on today's video. As always, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, as I would appreciate it so much. I'm going for 5K by the end of the year. Also, make sure that you guys do come check out this server, play.survival-saga.com. Alright guys, without further ado, we're going to get into today's video. Make sure you guys come check out the server, and I'll see you guys in the video. Peace. Alright guys, so as soon as you log on to the server, you get into this tutorial area. Welcome to the Survival Saga. Need help or guidance, use /help. Make sure to check out the warps using /warps. Need a certain item you can't find, check /shop. Have you checked out the rules yet, /rules. And then it says the website, Discord, and store link. If you come over here, it says claim your free rank. If you guys actually do click this, you guys could get a free rank. So if you click on that, boom, there you go. And I am actually a media, but I do have this free rank as well, which is actually pretty cool. And then you guys can purchase these ranks in-game using in-game money, and you guys get other stuff. Like, you guys do have to have vote points as well. So it says ready to explore. Make sure to protect your creations with our claiming system. Use /lands create and then the name to alter claim settings. Look through /lands. You can also teleport to other players using /tpa. Make sure to set your home doing /set home and then the name, and then use /home to teleport to it. Explore some of the features of the server. If you come over here, you guys can create shops, and it tells you basically how to do it. /qs create and then the price. And then basically it just says that you have to have the item you want to sell in the hand that you have, basically in your hand, and then you have to look at the chest. And we do have some keys and stuff we're going to open as well. And then it says, yeah, after that it should be all good. Looks like probably the owner down there. Then there's the server shop. You guys can see all the different things that you guys can purchase. And then it says the vote point shop, which you guys can purchase stuff with vote points. And then there's also the exotic vote point shop, which I'm assuming is not released yet. And then right here, you guys can see the vote point shop again. Basically, all this different stuff, all these keys and all of that, and custom enchants that you guys could purchase. And then you guys could vote on all of these vote links to get vote points, I'm assuming. And then right here are some auctions. So it says this is the auction house. And it looks like there's actually a good amount of stuff on here. And it looks like I actually have some insane catching eggs, which is actually pretty interesting. So that's pretty much all the features for over here. And then it says /wild to start your journey or jump down to explore spawn. So I'm assuming that is the owner up there. It says join a job. We could actually check this out, and I think I'm actually going to take the Slayer job as well as the Miner job. And I'm not sure how many more I could join. I'm going to join Woodcutter. Can I join any more? I don't think I need to actually be in this job. It looks like you can only be in 2. Oh, I've already joined too many jobs. Okay, I see. So, let's go take a look up here. Let's check out what the owner's doing. And I actually have fly with my media. There's the owner. It's actually pretty cool how he has like a rainbow thing around himself. So that's actually really, really cool. I'm gonna get all of these keys into my hotbar so we can go ahead and check this stuff out. So if we do actually look around in the spawn, you guys can see this looks pretty cool, to be honest. And if we look over here, it says, did you know you can obtain vote points from voting? Make sure to save up those and check out the vote point shop using /shop. There's a wilderness portal right there. And if you come over here, it says teleport to town portals. Walk through the portal to be teleported, and it just shows like all the towns, I'm assuming. And then if you come over here, you guys can see all of the different crates that there are. And then it says teleport to crates. And I'm assuming that probably just teleports you right here. I'm not entirely sure. And then if we look around some more, it says, did you know you can buy and sell items from /shop? You can also spend your vote points there too if you do /vote. And then it says, did you know you can create custom warps to a location you desire? Check out /player warp. So if we do /p warp, we can check that out. There are some sponsor slots that cost 5,000 and stuff like that. It looks like 500 for an hour, 5,000, 10,000, and 20,000. That's pretty cool. So if we do /p warps, or PWs, whatever, you guys can actually look right here. There's a ton of player warps, and that's actually really, really cool. And I'm not actually sure what's on the other side of this wall, but we'll figure that out eventually. If the server is doing an update or something, we'll check that out in a future video. And then this is the mineshaft parkour. Over here it says, did you know you could save up your in-game money and vote points to obtain upgradable ranks and with awesome perks. Sorry guys, I'm having some trouble reading, but you guys can see basically you just save up your money for that. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna go over to the crates, which are over here, and we're gonna go ahead and pop open some of these keys. So actually, if you do come through the crates portal, it takes you to the same area. So that's kind of odd. So celestial crates, I'm not entirely sure. I'm guessing those are maybe the top crates. They were just renamed. Alright, let's see what we actually get. Looks like we got 2 nether stars. Nice. Okay. So I'm guessing... Okay, I don't know why the celestial crates. I'll figure that out with the celestial crates, and let's see. So from the next legendary key, we are actually going to get a chunk loader 2 times for 1 day. So keep the chunk loaded, basically, is what it's going to be. Or you get 2 chunk loaders. So pretty much what it does is, like, if you guys have a sugarcane, or not a sugarcane, a cactus farm, then basically you guys can pretty much just, oh wow, I just got 20 vote keys. You guys pretty much from that can like keep your cactus farm loading and like dropping stuff within those 2 chunks from the the 2 chunks that I placed when I placed both of these for the next day. So if you have a giant cactus farm, you could fill up all the chests for like an entire day. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and open the rest of these keys, these vote keys, and I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, so if you guys do actually come right here, you guys can open up, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the common key. There's actually some treasures that I could open, like these treasure maps. It's actually pretty cool. I'm gonna open up these dust packs, which is actually pretty cool for the custom enchants. If we come over here, we're gonna open up these celestial crates. We got another dust voucher. Let's see what we get from this one. Oh, that's actually really good. And then we got another dust pack. So that's actually pretty good stuff we got. And let's do /pv1/ender chest. Oh, well, /ec. I guess I don't have permission. So, I'm gonna check out the spawn area. Or actually, wait. Nope, there's one right here. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and throw all this stuff out to start off, because I don't actually need any of this, I don't think, because if I do /kit, okay, maybe I do need that. I don't need the armor, really. I just need the tools, so I'm going to go ahead and just keep the tools in my inventory. I'm going to put all of this stuff away, and basically what we're going to do right now, I think, is we're just going to go ahead and sell the stuff that we have in our inventory quickly, and then we are going to check out these scrolls, because these are actually pretty cool, these clue scrolls, and we're gonna go ahead and check this out in just a second here. Let's go ahead and sell this iron. Let me craft this into actual iron itself, and then let's go ahead and sell all of it for $81. There we go. So right now we have 15k. Alright, so I have a starter clue scroll which says travel 50 meters, and if I right click this one says breed 4 wolves. So we do need to basically just figure all of these out. So we do need to find a specific biome /warp. Let's go ahead to the town portals, but we do need to get these things done. So I'm going to run around a bit, and it says town portal requirements: Apollo rank, have a land of 8 members, a welcome area /hub portal to warp to, 50 vote points. If you feel like you meet these requirements, please do not hesitate to contact a member of staff. Alternatively, you can receive the town portal perk without meeting requirements above from the celestial crate. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Top 10 lands right there. It looks like there are actually 2 town portals. That's pretty cool. So there we go. We have that done. Now we need to mine 20 stone, and the breed 4 wolves is going to take a bit of time. So there we go. We just TP'd to Sandyland. This is actually pretty cool. And actually what I want to do is /wild, because I do actually want to find the special location that I need to find, which is actually literally this biome. That's actually really crazy, because I do actually want to find some wolves. So I'm just going to kind of fly around, look and see if I can find any wolves, and maybe we will find some. I'm not entirely sure though. So yeah, I'll bring you guys back in just a minute. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and end off today's video here. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you guys drop a like on today's video. Let's go for 50 likes. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I'm going for 5K by the end of the year. Also, make sure that you guys do come check out the server. Play.survival-saga.com is the IP, and I will see you guys later in the next video tomorrow. Peace.